Introducing Premium Tattoo Paper, the latest addition to our temporary tattoo range. Tattoo paper is used by makeup artists for large productions, costumes, pranks, and for everyday outfits as an excellent alternative to permanent tattoos. One of the key differences with premium tattoo paper is the semi-matte finish. This enhances the clarity of your designs and helps bring them to life. It is noticeably thinner and softer, providing a more enjoyable experience for the wearer, as well as realistic results that keep the attention on the artwork. With the same great durability our tattoo paper is known for. Sunscreen, baby powder, and certain other cosmetics are still compatible and are great for reducing the shine. We also have a new white option, which adds a white background to your tattoos. This improves colour visibility on darker skin. If you want to maximise how long your tattoos last, we recommend using a laser printer. This is because inkjet is water soluble and therefore much less water resistant than laser toner. There are also visual differences between the two printer types. Inkjet creates a glossier appearance, whereas laser has more bold, drier colours. The premium tattoo paper package consists of two types of paper. The semi-matte page is the tattoo paper. The glossy page is the adhesive sheet. To create your own temporary tattoos, make sure to mirror everything before printing. Print on the glossy side of the tattoo paper. Wait until the ink is fully dry. You can blow dry it to speed this up. Peel back a corner of the adhesive backing and place onto the tattoo paper. Slowly peel away the white backing as you apply the adhesive. Use a ruler to avoid any air bubbles. Rub the adhesive down to ensure a good bond between the image and the adhesive. Cut out your images using scissors or a craft knife. We recommend cutting close to the image for better results. These tattoos can be stored away for later, or you can use them right away. To transfer your image, it's important to ensure the skin is clean and oil-free. We recommend shaving the area for best results. Remove the clear protective backing and apply face down. Press down well to ensure a good transfer. To release the backing, dab it with water until it's completely wet. By gently sliding away the backing, you will reveal your beautiful tattoo. The tattoo will strengthen as it dries and adapts to your skin throughout the day. By using baby powder or matte sunscreen, you can remove the gloss and create a more natural finish. Thank you so much for watching. For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.com. Feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. I have added the contact details down below.